how to know or how to see if someone is online on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can see or how you can know if someone is online on Snapchat. Now there are a couple of ways, so here is how you can do it. If you open up Snapchat here, and here if you head, I'll just simply head into my profile here. Now there are a couple of ways that you can know if someone is online on Snapchat. However, Snapchat doesn't directly offer you the way to see if someone is online. Now the first thing is how you can do it, right? Now first thing is by heading into the chat. If you just head into the chat section and if you send someone a message and it says delivered here, then it means that the person has received the message. However, they are not online, so they haven't viewed the message. If they have opened it, then it means that they are online and they have opened the chat, or it might also mean that they are just ignoring you, right? And how you can know it? Now the second way to do so is by heading into the stories section, and if you head into stories section there and if you see their stories recently posted, then it means that they are online and they are simply ignoring you. The third way to know if someone is online is through the Snap Map. If you head into Snap Map, if you see someone online and if you see their last location couple of minutes ago or couple of seconds ago, then it means that they have been online recently. Now in this case, you can see this person, this user, my friend here, is online. Her last location was 11 hour, so it means that she was active 11 hours ago, or it might also mean that her location was active 11 hours ago but now she has turned off her location. And this other user, you can see 19 minutes ago she was at this particular location, which means she was active on Snapchat 19 minutes ago and she had enabled her location as well. So these are the ways you can know if someone is online on Snapchat. However, you can't be precise with it. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.